Mobile phone sealing performance has an important impact on its performance and lifespan. Today we will use two mobile phones respectively. To change your understanding of the airtightness of mobile phones, take out the airtightness detector and connect it to the computer. Port selection, COM4. Pull out the phone card slot before use. Let's first test the airtightness of this unopened mobile phone. Require sealer hole. The slot position needs to be aligned with the arrow position. View real-time pressure changes using PC software curves. Accurately determine whether the mobile phone meets the security standards. Test results will be clearly displayed on the screen. Use another disassembled mobile phone to test. The same is done to remove the slot sealer hole. The card slot still needs to be aligned with the arrow position. The test result shows failed. Not only can it be connected to the PC for use, it can also be directly connected to the power supply to detect the tractor. Provide more protection for your mobile phone security. Contact us now to learn more.